Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Emmanuel Petit. As 2024 comes to an end, I've been reflecting on the lessons that I have learned throughout the years. From redefining what makes a good photo to discovering the power of consistency. This year has been a journey of my growth, creativity, and also a few challenges along the way. So in today's video, I want to share some valuable insights that shape my photography and also my creative workflow. Let's dive in. One of the biggest realizations I have had last year is that there is no such thing as a good or bad photo. Photography is subjective. A photo that doesn't resonate with one person might deeply connect with someone else. For example, what was once considered bad, like motion blur, is now used intentionally to create cinematic vibes. This really hit me when I started visiting photo galleries and exhibitions, as well as flipping through photo books. Some photo left me puzzled. I didn't understand their meaning or why they worked, but I noticed that others loved them. It taught me that if you think your photos aren't good enough, just post them anyway. Someone out there will appreciate your work. 2024 was the year I discovered photo walks. After years of shooting alone, I finally joined a few group outings with like-minded photographers. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. Photo walks aren't just about exploring new places with your camera, they're about building a real connection with other creatives. I've even made offline friendships that have grown stronger over time. It is inspiring to exchange ideas, perspective, and other strategies for improving our craft or even turning this hobby into something profitable. Plus, photo walks give me fresh perspective and ideas that I might not have come up with my own. So if you've been shooting solo, I highly recommend to find a local photography community and joining a walk. This year, I fell into the trap of buying more gear than actually I needed. I thought it was for my YouTube videos. But let me confess, in 2024, I just uploaded 4 YouTube videos. Here is a quick rundown of what I have bought in 2024. The Insta360 Ace Pro, a Ricoh GR3, 2 tripods, the Sony a7C II with a 40mm lens, a variable ND filter, the iPhone 16, an Osmo Pocket 3, and even 3 vintage digital camera. Simple is best, limited is powerful. Even though I bought all that gear, I realized that simplicity often works best. In the last 4 months of 2024, I made around 100 videos of Reels and TikToks with Ricoh GR3 and iPhone 16. That's it. My social media accounts grew slowly but surely, proving that you don't need the most expensive or advanced equipment to create engaging content. Sometimes limitation can boost your creativity. This year also taught me that camera specs aren't everything. About 90% of the photos I have uploaded to social media were taken by my Ricoh GR3. Sure, it's not cheap, but compared to my Sony a7C II, the image quality doesn't even come close. So why do I prefer Ricoh GR3? Portability. The Ricoh GR3 fits in my pocket, making it the perfect everyday camera. Because it's so easy to carry around, I end up using it way more often than my other cameras. Consistency was the game changer for me in 2024. For years, I would travel far and wide outside Tokyo. I thought that those photos will help my social media grow, but nothing really changed. This year I focused on capturing my local surroundings. Over 50% of my photos were taken within a 5-kilometer radius of my home. I committed to taking photos 3 mornings a week and posting daily. By the end of the year, I had over 50,000 photos and significant growth on my social media like X, TikTok, and Threads. Consistency beats perfection. If you don't think that your content is not perfect, just keep creating and posting. Workflow and productivity. One thing that helped me stay consistent was simplifying my workflow. My Ricoh GR3 allowed me to quickly take, edit, and post photos daily. I made everything so seamless that I didn't overthink the process. Tools that match your workflow are the key to staying productive. So those are the lessons I have learned in 2024, from redefining what makes a good photo to simplifying my gear and also my workflow. If there is one thing I would leave with you, use what you have and don't stop creating. Thank you.